Hi, in this video, I am excited to show you the working of your stock management software that I have created for you. Let's go through it step by step and see how it's managing everything, how simple and efficient. Here is the dashboard. We will start from here and you can see the access level. It is showing I have logged in with another account recently and I can change the company data that is showing. Okay, the inventory summary, you can see the total number of items at here, total number of folders and total quantity. Maybe one item have 10 number of pieces and the other one have the 100 number of pieces. Here is the total quantity relevantly. Okay, you can see the total value of this quantity and items relevantly. Okay, you can change some preferences in this software later we will see, but now I am telling you this is the you can change values after point. You can also change the currency symbol. You may change the color of sidebar as well. Okay, the other preferences we will see later in when we move on setting. Okay, here you can see the total items that are below in stock. Okay, we will set we will set the minimum level with every item, and when an item reach to below his minimum value, then it will show a message at here. Okay, you can see the recent activity. Every kind of activity, it may be update, delete, move or assign to another client, and every kind of activity will be countable and noted in this software. The interesting thing, you can send this activity again to the client that is assigned to that item or the folder. That we will see this in items module. Okay, you can see the recently added items and recently added folders, and also you can see the low stock items in this section. This was the dashboard, and let's we jump on our main module, that is items. Okay, you can see here is the folder sidebar that is showing number of items and history and trash at here. Okay, here are three folders and one items. You can see the perfect statics at here. This is the 45 units in of items, total items. Okay, total value, you can view this folder value plus this folder plus this items value. Here is the total number of here is the total value of all of your folders and items. Okay, we will start it from here. You may change this view into grid from list view. You also can change this from table view, and you can show hide the folder and show only items, and you also can show the SID, that is the system ID of this folder and this item. Okay, I default by default it will hide the SIDs. Okay, let's move on grid, and first we open the content of this folder, and you can see this folder is assigned to this client. Okay, and these items assigned to this client. You can view all of the assigned clients with this against a folder or an item. Okay, uh, another thing we can filter is by name. We can sort them by updated ad, by quantity, by price. Okay, so we can sort the total items inside the folder. Okay, you can see the perfect statics at here: 0 folder, 2 items and 11 units, 10 plus 1 unit, 11 units, and 200 of total 10 multiplied by 10 100, and plus 100, 200 total value of this folder. Okay, you also can search everything from here. Let's I show you SESWL, sorry, WL. Okay, you can search everything perfectly. This is not at available right now. We are working at here, but don't have a scanner. That's why I use the camera. But it's not perfect working for now. Later we will work on it. That's why I am showing the beta tag at here. Okay, we explore one by one of the folder options. We can assign a folder to our client. That was your special requirement, that you want to assign a folder to your clients. So that's why they can see every activity that is according to this folder or this item. Here you can see the available all of your viewers. Viewers will be your clients. Okay, I recently added one viewer only to show you the test, and I am assigning this folder to this client. Okay, this is the user with access, and there is the total users available. You can assign a folder on an item to multiple viewers. Okay, let's change the preference. After that, when we open this, and we will add an item or any activity performed on this folder, the notification email will be sent to this client. Okay, uh, the other one, let's we edit something. We add an image for this client, for this folder. It may be this one. Okay, this is uploading, and now it is uploaded. Okay, I I add a tag. Let's say school. Okay, you can add any nodes to this, and you will notify this client. Okay, save. Mm, let's move back, and now you can see the details of this. Okay, these other, um, let's we move this folder into the new folder. Okay, move folder. Okay, you can see now we don't have any school named folder, and here you can see inside of the new folder here is a folder. Okay, you also can see the access level that we have changed. Let's move on. Again, item page, and the third option is available as history. We can see item moved item, chairs is the item name, from no folder in root folder to home folder. Okay, total quantity units. You also can view this at a different view. Okay, permission assigned and folder created. These are all activities that performed against to this folder. Okay, and after that we can create the label. I just create the barcode label, and okay, printer label, and okay, medium. We also can assign relevant settings of label, but for now I'm going. Okay, you can see here is the successfully download our label. Uh, we will move on third. We can export in CSV or in pages view, album view, or in the list view, or in the compact view. Let's say export it in list view. Okay. Uh, moving next, and I can select uh, six number of printing labels. Okay, and export this, and you can see it will export successfully. um, a beautiful UX at here. Okay, it is downloaded, I think this one. Okay, these items are we have exported. The next is after we can clone this home folder. He is asking about inner content. I don't want to copy the inner content. I just want to clone this folder. Okay. If I want to clone the inner content, you also can clone the all of the content of this folder. You can see number of folder inside one side folder, two items same, and you can see here is no any item, just cloned parent folder only. Okay, move on. Items options, let's see. We can update the quantity. I have decreases, change 45 to 40, decrease 5, and it's let's say damage, and any nodes on this updated, and this email will send to the client that is signed with this item. The items are decreases from 45 to 40, and some other email I will show you in your screenshots or other in another way. Okay, here you can see every kind of option is working fine. I think one is the deleted. We will say delete, and I am selecting no longer needed, and duplicate or any nodes at here. Also want to trash the inner folders inside. You can see in this in trash folder. Okay, you can restore or delete or empty trash. Recently I have empty the trash. Okay, delete permanently. Okay, back to the items. Okay, this was the items module. I think no any related thing is more at here. Okay. Here is the search. You can filter all of your folders at search like this and apply filters, and you can see all of the items. And if you want to see only one, let's say new folder and school. Okay, and apply filter. Yes, here is school, and also showing the inside the folder and item, because this folder have this chair item. Okay, that's why it is showing. Let's clear all, and we search. Let's say the school. Okay, apply filter. You can see the school and copy of the school that we have cloned. If we write at here copy, and it will show only the copy folder. That's perfect. Okay, you can apply the other quantity filter, minimum from to quantity, and price, and minimum level, and quantity and tags. We also have another tab for tags, but if you want to see from here, you can filter the items. You can apply multiple filter at the same time also. Okay, let's we jump on tags folder, and you can see the classroom is a tag that is assigned with this items folder, is also a tag that is assigned to this, and you also can see all of the tags related items. Okay, workflow will be well when we meet and define what we need to work in implement in this workflow, then we implement the relevant development. Okay, recently activities, you can see all kind of activities or all time, 2 days only, today perform this, these activities only we will see all time, and you can see the perfect pagination at here. Okay, and here is the only item created, and you can define your filter and see the relevant history. Okay, inventory summary, at here you can see about items only. Here are items only, and you can see these are inventory, and you can view this in different overview. Okay, the folders only and both. Okay, you can see these three folders in inventory, and these are all items in inventory. Okay, total number of items, folder, quantity, value, etc. Okay, let's we check the low stock values. iPhone are cloned because we have cloned a folder that the iPhone inside. Okay, two iPhones are low in stock, and you can view this in another overview. Okay, let's move on. Setting, you can change the personal information from here to you can edit, and you can edit your name, last name, phone number, and your, let's say, designation. So job function, you cannot change your role because you are an owner on. Okay, saving, and this is now saved, and you are now a manager. Okay, you can change your security password authentication to that is used to log in the system. Okay, after that you can change the company details, company name, your country, your sidebar color, and if logo you want to put at here, and you also can change the currency symbol, and decimal places after the point value. Okay, so after this you can these items only can you view you, because you are logged in as an owner. If you are admin, then you can access but limited, and if you are a team member or a viewer like customer, you cannot access these values just profile only. Okay, you can invite your admins, your team members, your viewers as well from here. Just put the information and set the email and designation role, and you want, if you want to assign a folder to this to the invited person, the invitation email will send to this email that you will wrote at here, and the your team member will join just clicking on a button, and he can create his password, and after creating his password he will be able to log in the system. Okay, this is the overall process. The permission matrix, who can see or view or edit or which thing, like try to understand user management. User can owner can have full access, admin read write only, team member no access, viewer same as for our modules. Okay, and here are folder management. You can select a folder and assign to your any team member. Okay, folder assignment same with different way. Okay, here is the setting of the folder management. You can create a new layer of units. Okay, recently I am managing the items with box, kilogram, and units only. You also can add multiple kind of units: count, weight, length, volume, area, time, temperature, etc. Okay, um, where it will work, here it will work, at here these will show. Okay, let's try to add um, in 30 quantity, 30 boxes, let's say, and minimum value is 3, and let's we want to assign this client and select this client. And if you want to let's say the 30 pounds, and we will add an image about that, let's say this one. Okay, and you also can show full fields and add full details of your item. but recently I am adding the only short details and add an item in home folder. Okay, the item is added and the image of this item also uploaded on server, and I accept the email in my this email. Your item is added in the primary WMS. Okay, the notification sent to my this email. Okay, same as we can add the folder. If you want to see the full detail of an item, here is the full detail, and all images up to 8 images you can see at here. Okay, the basic information that I have not provided, the tag is classroom. If barcode any available, you can create and it will show it at here, and the total quantity, total minimum units, and all of the item related to this item. You can move to trash, edit this one, and go back. This was the overview, and you can test it at here this URL, and I will share your password and email with you. Okay, thank you for your time. Okay, bye bye.